I've got something pretty special I want to share with you today. It's stock. It's a company. It's the Amazon of Africa, if I had to describe it in a sentence. It's called Jumia. You can do everything from buy any product, phones, computers, PS4s, fashion. I'm just going to read down the list. Airtime and bills, so you can pay your bills and book flights. Phones and tablets, computing, electronics, home and office, fashion, health and beauty, gaming, grocery, and other categories. So if you can see the website right there, this is what it looks like. This is the Amazon of Africa. And as I'm sure you'll recall, Amazon is a pretty big company, especially here in the United States. So Africa is a lot bigger than the United States. Yes, their economy is not as big, but their population is much larger than ours. And this is the largest online retailer in the entire continent of Africa. So it's based in Nigeria. Nigeria is the biggest economy in Africa. Lots of people there. No more Boko Haram, so no more terrorist issues. So yeah, this is just a really good company that seems to be doing well. And now, I've been going through the financials a little bit. They got 170 mil in cash, and the market cap is just over 230 mil, maybe a little more than that with Friday's 13% bump. But the stock is off hella since the IPO. So let's go take a look at that. So Jumia stock in the Google search. Jumia stock in the Google search. So it's at $2.83 a share. IPO'd at $14.50 a share. From between April when it IPO'd till May, it went up 220% to $46 a share. And since May of 2019, has fallen to $2.83 a share to a $216 million market cap, while they have $170 million in cash on their balance sheet. So let's just think about that for a sec. You're just buying the cash pile. You're paying just a little bit of a premium on the cash pile, not even considering the business, which has, let me go to the top where I saw this statistic, which has gross profit up 64% in Q4 2019 year over year. So compared to Q4 2018, profits up 64% and 72% gross profit up for the whole year 2019 versus the whole year 2018. They've also got some sort of transaction platform. Jumia Pay transactions accelerate 110% in Q4 2019. They may give African people some bank account type of thing. So a lot of potential for this business. Very underpriced. It's a good stock to buy. If you haven't bought it yet, I would go hard on this one. A lot of people say, you got to diversify, can't have all your eggs in one basket. Yeah, that's a balance, right? It's like a spectrum of like where you stand on that belief. I think over diversification is for losers, right? We pick winners here. Jumia, I believe, is a winner. So this is one you go pretty hard on, maybe 10, 20% of your portfolio. I don't have offhand what it is in mind, but it's probably something around like 10, 15% of my portfolio. So I might be looking to add to that if it's down on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. Might nibble on it a little bit more. It's very underpriced, like grossly underpriced. Like this is absurd. Like I'm probably going to take a chunk regardless of how it's moving on Monday. But maybe not. I've been nibbling on it the past couple weeks. But now I'm sharing it with you hardcore. I've posted on my story a couple times. Now I want you to really understand what this one's about. I'm going to try and share with you a pick like this every week or so. These don't come around that often, though. We get them every now and then. We had CRISPR, we have Virgin Galactic, we have Upwork. Upwork, I kind of feel the same way. Obviously, the numbers aren't there. Like, the numbers are disgusting on this. Like, it's like a $216 million market cap with $170 million in cash. Like, the minor multiple you're paying on just the cash pile is, like, ridiculous. So I would buy this one. Let me know if you have questions. And thank you for listening. Peace.